Hi, it's Dr. Sanele Gamede here. I just want to answer this one question that everyone has been asking me. I feel like I needed to just sit down and spend some time to answer the question around what is the hashtag metric ungazibulali campaign. And maybe before I answer you that question, let me tell you a little bit about where is it coming from so that you probably get a little bit about who I am as well. So as I said, I'm Sanele Gamede, and before I became Dr. Sanele Gamede, I did grade 10 twice, grade 11 twice, and grade 12 twice. And if you're watching this outside South Africa, grade 10 is the third grade in high school. So I don't know what you call it in your country. So I finished my high school and I went back to the third grade in high school. And I did it and I had my second metric. We call it grade 12 or metric here in South Africa. I must say it wasn't an easy journey. I remember that I looked and I felt, and I was amongst the oldest students in my second grade 11, second grade 12, and also in my second grade 10. So that journey, it was humbling for me. It was difficult. It wasn't easy, but I was driven by purpose. I was driven by the desire to see myself educated. I love education and I want to see people thrive in education. The reason I got into a career and life consulting is because I really love to see people better. And at a later stage, I saw reports in the media talking about young people taking their own lives when they didn't pass matric or grade 12. And I realized that this is me, or that was me a while ago. I was disappointed. I had disappointed my friends. I had disappointed my family. And I understood, not that I am justifying, not that I'm encouraging, but I understood where young people are coming from with, feeling like they can't see the world anymore. They can't face their parents, their communities, their friends anymore. And I must say, that's not the answer. So I then decided to go and share my journey. And that's all about the hashtag Metric Ungazibulali campaign. It started in 2019 as, sharing my journey, knowing that I'm not alone. There are many people who probably went through and maybe worse than what I went through. So it's all about sharing that inspirational journey, motivating young people and telling you that it's not yet over. And I normally say it's possible because it's doable from that journey as well. If I managed to do grade 10 twice, grade 11 twice, and grade 12 twice, and today I have a PhD, it's possible because it's doable. I did it and you can. So that's all about the hashtag Metric Ungazibulali campaign. And of course, as years went by, the idea of having ambassadors was born because many people wanted to partake. And I'm encouraging as many people as I can to partake in this campaign, making sure that in their respective corners, they encourage and show direction. It went as far as now providing career guidance for young people. It went as far as encouraging parents and also helping parents on how to cope. Today, I'm excited that this campaign has involved many stakeholders beside just media, because I was just working with the media as a tool to share my story, as a tool to share my journey. Today, there are organizations that I work with that provide psycho support, which means you don't have to take your life as a young person. As a parent, you also have now a platform where you can actually ask how to deal with this situation. Because as parents, sometimes we don't know what to do when a child has failed matric, when you see your child withdraw. So that's basically what these hashtag metric is all about. And now we have a logo, now we have t-shirts, now we visit schools, now we talk to a lot of people, but it all started on an idea of trying to inspire you, trying to inspire our young people. So I want to invite you to come on board. And you might say, Sanela, I don't have the time. You can participate through money. And if you don't have money, you can participate through pointing young people to the right direction. You do not need to be on the street, carrying placards of the hashtag Matriculous Bloody campaign. Not that we have some, but you can participate by actually pointing young people to us so that we can be able to help them. My desire is to see every young person inspired to actually do better, even if they didn't do well the previous year, is to see them pick themselves up, and let us make sure that we help them. Thank you.